Welcome to the project demonstration of lane detection and following robot. So here we are making this prototype with a 3-wheel, and front wheel is the free wheel and 2 motors we have attached to this robot for the moment. And the next all these interfacing connections interface to the Pi 4 8GB, and which is taking input from the ultrasonic sensor and Pi camera, and output is LCD display, and 2 DC motors will be controlled through this L293D motor driver. So here the main features of this project is, the first feature is lane detection and following, that single lane detection and following, and the second feature is traffic signs detection, and based on that detection it will do the action. For the stop sign it will stop for 5 seconds, then it will move forward, and slowly it will move forward like that. And next parking, hospital zone, and the next zebra crossing and the speed breaker, speed bumps, these 4 will be displayed on the LCD screen. And the next feature is, while moving, if is there an obstacle detects, automatically the robot stops moving till the obstacle moves away, and then after it will keep on following the lane. And the next feature is like we can see the visuals of these robots on your mobile phone or laptop, and while visualizing that, it will find the object detection, as well as it will classify those objects and display on the screen by bounding box them, whether it's a person or a table or a chair, car, bike, dog, animals. So like these kind of classifications will be done by the system. So here we demonstrated that using this mobile phone. Now for that we need to pair the system to the hotspot. So very first step is, before demonstration, keep the battery under full charge. So let us explain the components wise. So we are using 12 volt 2 amp battery pack. So this is a 12 volt 2 amp battery pack which is rechargeable, and for that purpose, recharging purpose, we are using this charging circuit. So just on the power supply to the transformer, and then we can see the light indication. Connect the transformer at the T slots and B at this B slots. So keep this battery under full charge at least of 8 hours, means whole the night you can keep the battery for charging. So meanwhile, if it is then any heat up from this transformer charging circuit, don't need to worry. And after the battery fully charged, automatically this charging circuit will block the current flow to the battery to protect the battery from overcharging. So after the duration, you can switch off the circuit. So this is a very first step. And the next step is, on the hotspot in your phone, configure the hotspot to project 6218 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789. AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these 3 settings successfully done on the hotspots, and next install a network analyzer application. So this is the application available in the Play Store to get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So network analyzer application. After this, now you can on the power supply to this case. There are 2 switches we can see. One is for the L293D motor driver. Above is on, below is the off, and above is on, and this is the main on off switch for the whole power supply. Just on that and wait till the welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. So it will take around of 20 seconds duration for the booting of the memory card, as we have interfaced this breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. And this is the breadboard to distributing the 5 volts power supply, ultrasonic sensor, Pi camera, Pi 4 8GB, and L293D motor driver, battery pack, and DC motors. So once the booting successfully done, right, we get the welcome message. So if this booting was not successfully done after long duration also, that's an indication of battery is low charge, and we should keep the battery under full charge. Okay, so there we can see one device is connected. And next, go to network analyzer application, go to options, do LAN scan, do the scan. There we get the IP address of our, one is your mobile phone and there is Raspberry Pis. Copy that and go to Google Chrome. Here paste it. At the end of that, add :5000, and now once you enter, then automatically the robot will start moving. So keep this properly on the line, and now enter that. So you can see that. and ultrasonic sensor distance also will be displayed on here one. So if any obstacle detects, automatically it will stops. Right. So while demonstration, we should take care of the external lighting should not fall on this one. If anything disturbance occurred, then we can't demonstrate that easily. So that's alright. Right, if any obstacle detects, again stops, and it's more, you can see that the obstacle distance is, if it is less than 30 centimeters, automatically stops. Right, it moves away, it will keep on moving. Just for demonstrate the next step, I'm just switching off this motors L293D switch and place it. The next is, right, if anything displayed, just restart that. So I'm placing on this platform for demonstration. So now let us see the visuals here. So the bounding box is table is displaying on here. So let us place this. So you can see that chair, dining table, okay, so we can see that here. Okay, so like this the bounding box system will be achieved. And then next, traffic signs. Right, parking is already displayed here. So let's see. So if we can place like this or like this on the floor. Zebra crossing. So for demonstration, I keep this under the vision for easy demonstration purposes. So it's a hospital zone. And the next, right, parking, and the next speed bump. Speed bump. And the next stop. So due to unavailability, I just took the print out. Right, stop sign displays like this. 5 different traffic signs will be displayed on this one. So we have achieved that traffic sign with bounding box, ultrasonic obstacle detection, and lane following. The features will be successfully done.